Turn your machine off. Turn your machine off. Cut the engine, please.
It's picking up felled trees on the top of this ridge, and we saw them earlier dropping those trees right here where we're standing.
And post-fire logging is not going to keep any of us safe. It is only going to harm us more. And in the face of climate change, when these fires are just going to get worse, we need to be focusing on things that actually keep our communities safe. That grant for FEMA, among many things, should be used to do home hardening and supporting the people that were affected by these fires, not just loading more money into the pockets of the big timber companies.
This is Highway 126 near Rainbow, outside of Blue River, Oregon, on stolen Kalapuya land. Here it comes. No logs. It's possible that the person operating the helicopter sees people down here where they're supposed to be dropping the logs.
We're going to block the place that helicopter is trying to yard logs to, so that it can't operate. And we're going to be costing the company a lot of money in so doing, and interfering with this unethical money grab.
That the helicopter stopped yarding and is flying away now. Yeah. Oh yeah.
They're just hanging out, waiting for us to move, it looks like. But they can't yard any logs as long as we're here.
The helicopter has been hovering here for a couple of minutes. It hasn't gone down and tried to get a log. The pigs have arrived. Sheriff's over there talking to some of the flaggers. Our police liaison is going to check in with them.